Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save for an emergency fund with Ally Bank, full guide step by step clearly.
Start by assessing your current financial situation. Determine your monthly income and expenses.
Identify areas where you can cut back on spending.
Set a target amount for your emergency fund. A common goal is to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Open an Ally Bank account specifically for your emergency fund. Choose a high-yield savings account to earn interest on your savings. Visit the Ally Bank website and select the savings account option. Fill out the online application with your personal and financial details. Link your existing bank account for easy transfers. Fund your new Ally Bank account with an initial deposit. Create a budget that includes regular contributions to your emergency fund. Consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking account. Schedule these transfers shortly after payday to ensure consistency. Keep track of your spending to adhere to your budget. Monitor your emergency fund growth regularly through the Ally app. Celebrate milestones as you reach savings goals along the way.
If unexpected expenses arise, use your emergency fund wisely.
Avoid dipping into this fund for non-emergencies. Replenish the fund after using it to maintain your safety net. Stay committed to your savings plan for long-term financial security.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.